always starting this shit late, but I just bought my grips. I opened them up already. These are the 100-pounders. They're not that bad. They're pretty good. These are pretty good. So I got those. The package right there. I opened that up. Here. You got the Honey Goat Wheat. First time trying that. Then we got the Boost. First time trying that. I'm trying to, I'm getting back into my groove, so, I always got to get my supplements. And then, then we take it from there. So that was in there. And then we got here another grip. This is the 200-pounder. This is the heavy grip. Y'all see that on there? I'll open that one up in a second. Oh yes, and then I forgot to tell y'all. Take that one. That's all right, I don't know. I got the Corvette book. I was debating if I was gonna buy this or not. Oh yes. I'll sit down tonight and go through this. This is the complete book of Corvette. Every model since 1956. Man, this baby. Whoo. I'll take some pictures of it in a few minutes, and we'll go through that. Yeah. And then here we got another box here. I don't know what's in this one here. All this shit. Cut fucking whatever's inside there. I don't know what the heck's inside that motherfucker. Like Christmas time. It's like Christmas up in this. Oh. Forget about this one. This is the creatine. This is the German creatine. This is 99.95% pure. I don't know what we're gonna do with that one. And then this must be something free because I did not order that. It's just a black tea. I didn't order that t-shirt. Have to open it up and see what it is. But that's what we got. We got the creatine, we got the Argentine, and we open up this here. Let's see how these 200 grips. So I got the 200 and the 100. So here's the. Ooh-wee. Oh man, I can't. These 200s are powerful. Sheesh. I can't even squeeze that mother. Damn, that's the 200. Damn. And here's the 100. So we get that. Dang. But it's all engraved inside. These are really. Get it on camera. Doesn't. You can see it's upside down. This is the heavy duty 200. I can't get in there. But y'all seen it on the package anyways. But yeah, that's what I got. Picked up a couple things. This is what I really wanted to try. The Honey Goat Wheat. So hopefully this is good. I forgot. It's from Nature's Craft. I think it was Nature's Life. I'm not sure if it was Nature's Life or Nature's Craft. The other company that I liked. It's a pretty good company. So these came as a pack because I was just going to get the Argentine. I'm not even sure which one I really wanted. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted for the nitric oxide boost. For your blood vessels and stuff, so everything opens up inside. But then they had a package, so yeah, the package came with the test, and then the Goat Wheat, which was like $10 more, but these are $20 a piece by themselves. So I was like, what the fuck? I might as well buy it, get the package for $10 more. So that's how we did it. But we're gonna rock out we got the old Smith & Wesson knife. This knife, I've had this knife for freaking, oh man, 30 years. No, I don't know 30 years, but I had it for a long time. But yeah, we got our grips, so how we just, during the day, I don't know if I can use these, but I'll just have these during the day just to keep my forearms pumping. And that's it. We're good. Thanks for watching. See you next time. No,